Hello, my name is DeHaas-O'Briant, and I'm a second-year mechanical engineering technology major. And I'll be discussing plastic pollution and one of the companies that is working to help combat it. Here I have a graph from 2018 that shows the global plastic production within a year. This is a bit outdated, and actually 380 million tons of plastic are created per year, with 14 million tons of plastic ending up in the ocean. And I'm sure you're wondering, how does plastic end up in the ocean? And it's usually because of not being properly recycled, and as lightweight plastic is being transported to landfills, it is easily blown away and ends up in rivers, and from rivers it can easily enter the ocean. Once plastic is in the ocean, it becomes part of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, as seen in this image and on this mapping, and it is located between California and Hawaii. And the plastic accumulates due to four currents working in a clockwise position to create this garbage island, essentially, with the four currents being the California current, the North Equatorial current, the Kuroshio current, and the North Pacific current. Some more data on the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It is estimated to be about 80,000 tons of plastic, with 1.8 trillion individual pieces making it up, with an overall area to be twice that of Texas. The company that I'm focusing on to help combat this plastic pollution in the ocean is the Ocean Cleanup, or the Ocean Cleanup Project, that was founded as a nonprofit in 2013 with the goal to eliminate 90% of the ocean pollution. The Cleanup Project developed System 001, aka Wilson, and launched it in 2018. It was a U-shaped 600-meter long floater with a 3-meter deep skirt to collect debris. It was essentially autonomous. They launched 60 of them in the ocean. They were made up of hollow piping floaters and with trackers in place so that they could be tracked through satellites. And when the debris would fill up, a boat would be sent to collect it, essentially like a garbage truck. But what it developed over time was not only a fatigue failure at one point that caused the system to break, but they realized that the system was moving slower than ocean debris, and therefore any pollution collected was able to escape once again, creating an overall failure in the system. With the failure of System 001, System 001B was established, and for the U-shape, a net was in place on the interior to help collect debris so it would not escape once again, and it was created smaller so it was more manageable and cheaper. However, it did not meet scale-up ambitions and was considered a failure. However, it did help establish a speed constant that would be applied later on. With System 001B being retired, System 002, aka Jenny, was developed and launched in 2021, and instead of being an autonomous flotation device, it is now a 2-vessel manned 800 long net with a 3-meter deep net that helps collect plastic and has a net barrier in the back that maintains all collected debris. Jenny's cleaning process focuses on target, capture, extraction, and recycling. And due to the 2-vessel driving system, it is able to have controllable factors of speed, span, plastic density, and efficiency, meaning that it's able to maintain its consistent speed while also being able to target hotspots of plastic pollution that help better with capture and extraction. The capture zone of the net collects at the back, and once it is full, the end of one of the nets is handed off to another vessel. So one vessel is maintaining both ends of the net, and the other vessel goes around to extract the recyclable plastic and is able to sort it and send it off to the mainland to be further recycled. And I'm sure you're wondering what to do now with all of this recyclable material collected. Well, the Ocean Cleanup Project in 2020 developed sunglasses from all the plastic collected, with the frames being made out of plastic collected from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, specifically during System 001 and System 001B's trial runs. On the inside of the frames, there's a QR code that helps you track your sunglasses if you were to lose them, and also be able to see where the plastic originated from specifically throughout the ocean. And as well, it comes with a case that was made from the same parts of the Wilson Project, with 100% of the proceeds from selling the sunglasses going back into the project to help further projects. Thank you so much. This concludes my presentation on the Ocean Cleanup Project as well as plastic pollution in the ocean. Here are my citations. I mainly worked on plastic pollution data, Nat Geographic, and the Ocean Cleanup Project website.